Hello students, we have our second part of the topic heat. Let's start. Last time we learned the basic things about heat, including the introduction, definition, sources of heat, and also the uses of heat. Today we have heat transfer. Heat moves from place to place and we call that heat transfer. Heat is a kind of energy. When you heat water over a flame, heat flows from the flame into the water and makes it hotter. Heat always flows from hot to cold. But how does it travel? There are three ways heat can move or transfer from one place to another, and they are conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction. Conduction is when heat moves from one object to another object through direct touch. For instance, one piece of metal could conduct heat from another piece of metal if they are touching, or when heat moves between atoms and molecules that are touching or are very close to each other. And also heat travels through solids. We have this example. If you put one end of a metal bar in a fire, the solid metal conducts heat from hot to cold. The far end of the bar gets hot too. Have you ever held your hand over a pot of boiling water? You probably couldn't keep it there for long. But when you put your hand alongside the same pot, it feels perfectly fine. Why does that happen? Because of convection. Convection is a type of heat transfer that can only happen in liquids and gases because it involves those liquids or gases physically moving. Let's take an example. When water is heated in a pan, the hot water at the bottom rises up to the surface and cool water sinks to take its place. These movements are called convection currents. They carry heat to all parts of the liquid. Then we have radiation. Heat radiation is the flow of heat between objects that are not in contact with each other, which means they are not touching each other. An example is the heat felt by someone standing a distance away from a hot stove, and radiation from the sun gives Earth most of its heat. The sun's heat is carried through empty space by invisible heat rays, and you can feel them warm your body when you stand in the sunshine. Why is your body getting warmer? Because of the sunshine. Energy from the sun's radiation is stored in such fuels as coal, oil, gas, and wood. These fuels can be burned to provide more heat because sun is not available every time, especially at night. So people do use oil, gas, wood, etc. This is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you with the next one. Till then, bye.